Good morning, class third. This video is for part 4 for lesson number 1. In this video, we will do our book exercise and question answers, which is on page number 7, 8, and on 9. So let's start doing it one by one. First, A. Take the correct answer. First, a computer is an electronic device which receives the dash from the user data. All the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware. After processing, the computer shows the final result as an output. The person who uses the computer is called user. Next, filling the blanks. The word computer comes from the word compute. A dash is a combination of hardware and software components. Computer system. Third, dash means an action taken by the computer on the data process. Software is a set of dash that tells the computer hardware what to do. Instructions. C. Write T for true and F for false statement. That is true and false. So first is, a computer is called a computer system as it is not a single machine. True. You cannot touch and feel the hardware. False. Input devices are used to enter data into a computer. True. Keyboard, mouse, and scanner are the example of processing devices. False. Output is the result we get through output devices. True. So the correct is true, false, true, false, true. Next, application-based question. Amit is working on computer. His teacher asked him to tell the principle on which the working of a computer system is based, but he forgot. Help him to tell the answer. Answer is input, process, output. Okay? Input, process, output. Next, G. This is very important, children. Block diagram. Please draw it in the notebooks also. All right. So you have to label it in book as well. You have to draw this full block diagram in your computer notebooks. Okay. So first is the diagram is given. You have to label it. So in first box you will write input unit, then processing unit, then output unit. And under processing unit, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. Children, after label this diagram in your books, draw this diagram in your notebooks as well. Okay? Now next, define the following. First is data. It is a collection of raw facts and figures. Process, an action taken by the computer to convert data into information. Information, the meaningful form of data is called information. And user, the person who uses the computer. Next question answers. First question is, what do you mean by computer system? A computer system is a combination of hardware and software components. Question number 2. Give examples of input and output devices. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner. You can write only 2 also. That is also fine. Okay. And output devices, monitor, speakers, printer. Any 2 you can write. Okay. Next question number 3. Write down the difference between hardware and software. Hardware. All the physical parts attached to a computer are called hardware. And software, it is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Okay. Then question number 4. How does a computer work on IPO cycle? Now you have to write 3 points. Now first point is computer accepts data in the form of input, processes the data as per instruction, shows the result in the form of output. Now question number 5th, full forms. First is IPO, input process output, then CPU, central processing unit. Children, you have to do the defines and question answers in your notebooks and draw the block diagram also. Alright, and book exercise you will do it only in your books. Okay, and after completing all the work in your books and in your notebooks, learn it. Okay, thank you. Thank you.